as the sun casts its final rays upon the treetops. The residents of the forest begin to prepare for the night. Shall we go and see which small animals are still joyfully active? Hello, bear. Throughout the day, he searches for delicious fruits among the trees. Now it's time to find a cozy cave and prepare for sleep. Can you help the bear find a comfortable spot and say goodnight? Good night, bear. Hello, squirrel. Throughout the day, she plays and searches for nuts in the trees. As night falls, she returns to her nest high in the branches, ready to rest. Can you help the squirrel find a quiet corner and say goodnight? Good night, squirrel. Hello, dear. He wanders deep into the forest, munching on tender leaves. As night descends, he finds a meadow and prepares to lie down for rest. Can you help the deer find a comfortable spot and say goodnight? Good night, dear. Hello, fox. Throughout the day, she searches the thickets for small animals and tasty treats. As night falls, she finds a secluded spot, getting ready to sleep. Can you help the fox find a quiet corner and say goodnight? Good night, fox. Hello, owl. He becomes active only at night, hunting for small creatures. Now it's time to find a tree hollow and prepare for a peaceful night. Can you help the owl find a safe spot and say goodnight? Good night, owl. Hello, wild boar. Throughout the day, he searches for roots and nuts in the forest. As night falls, he finds a comfortable spot on a warm, grassy field, preparing for sleep. Can you help the wild boar find a cozy place and say goodnight? Good night, wild boar. So, as the forest gradually becomes quiet, stars begin to twinkle in the treetops. All the animals have found their sleeping places, entering a tranquil slumber. Now, it's your turn to close your eyes. Dream of all the wonderful creatures we met in the forest today. Good night, little one. Good night, forest.